Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I'll be taking a look at the Smart Keyboard Folio for the iPad. This is the 11-inch one, so it fits the iPad Pro, first and second generation, as well as the iPad Air 4. So I've got my iPad Air 4 here. I bought it on release day last year. I do have an unboxing video on my channel if you want to check that out. And yeah, I bought my iPad to be used as a second monitor so I can like search up articles for essays and things like that. So I always intended to buy a keyboard from the start, but I couldn't justify spending $439 on the Magic Keyboard. But I feel my iPad has been quite underused, and with a big dissertation coming up, I decided, you know what, it's time I buy a keyboard. I decided to go for the Smart Keyboard Folio. It's $269, so it's $170 cheaper than the Magic Keyboard. And the main difference is this keyboard doesn't have the trackpad. So we'll see how it works. I mean, I guess I can just touch the screen to move things around, but yeah, I guess we'll see with time if this is a good move. So here's the box, very simple, classic Apple packaging, all white box with the image of the product in front. And here's the back of the box, iPad Smart Keyboard Folio with the 3 images of the keyboard when it's closed up and its 2 viewing angles. So you can see the last image there. That's with the iPad screen nearest the keyboard, and I think I did read some reviews saying that your fingers might end up touching the screen as you're typing like the buttons near the screen, but we'll see how it goes. Bit of information. So let's open this up. Got a simple pull tab here. Comes off quite nicely, no need for scissors or knife. Let's get this packaging off and see what we get inside. Alright, here's the keyboard, nicely wrapped up. It's pretty light, but I guess I thought it would actually be a bit lighter. So here's the keyboard itself, very nice smooth material with the Apple logo. Feels good. Here are the keys. They feel quite nice to type on. Here we've got a little cardboard pull-out thing with the, I guess, some instruction and information sheets. Yeah, so the keyboard is magnetic. Let's put this aside. Alright, so here's the keyboard. You can see these are the 3 magnetic dots to attach your iPad to. So no need for charging or anything, it's powered by the iPad battery. So I think that's really nice. No need for additional chargers lying around. So I've got my iPad on the keyboard. Pretty simple. There's no need to set it up. Like once you attach it on, it's ready to use straight away. And I'm just typing a bit here and there. It seems pretty good so far. So here's the iPad in the steepest viewing angle. And the grooves that the iPad lies on are magnetic as well, so that keeps the iPad quite sturdy and yeah, prevents it from falling down, I guess. So overall I'm pretty pleased with this case. It seems pretty good. It's a simple accessory, but it works pretty well. $269 is still pretty expensive, but I guess we'll see with time if this was a good investment. Maybe the Logitech one might have been a more worthwhile choice since it does include a trackpad, but we'll see how it goes. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more unboxing videos to come soon.